Welcome back to the Paramount Woodco YouTube channel, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what's been happening around the shop. Before we jump into this week's video, we just wanted to take a moment to thank everyone who has subscribed recently. We truly appreciate all the support, and it means a lot to our entire team. We've got some more exciting projects coming up that we cannot wait to share with you, so if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Now let's get into today's project. Today we've got a really exciting coffee table built to show all of you. This project is a set of custom nesting coffee tables made entirely from solid white oak. And if you're not familiar with white oak, it's an incredibly dense hardwood. It's certainly one of the heaviest species that we get to work with, which makes a project like this a bit more challenging, but the end result is absolutely worth it. Once everything has been milled and squared up, Rick's going to step in to start face gluing the boards together. These glue-ups will eventually become the coffee table tops, creating the foundation for the entire project. Once the glue-ups have fully cured and been resawn, Rick and John bring everything back up to the machine room to mill each piece down to its final thickness. This step ensures the tops are perfectly flat, consistent, and ready for the next stage of the build as these nesting coffee tables really start to take shape. At this point, you can start to see the vision for the finished piece. Rick carefully lays out and traces the profile of each coffee table top, making sure every measurement is exactly where it needs to be before making a single cut. Once he's confident with the layout, he uses our Festool jigsaw to carefully cut each profile by hand, staying just outside the line so we can fine-tune the shape in the next steps. And as I mentioned earlier, white oak is an incredibly dense hardwood, and that's exactly what makes this step so demanding. The material constantly wants to fight back, so every cut has to be made slowly and with complete control. It's definitely not a process you want to rush, but taking the time here ensures a much cleaner result in the end. With the rough profile cut out, Rick's going to move on to using the belt sander to refine the shape and smooth out all of the edges. With the tops complete, Rick shifts his attention to the base components. Just like before, he starts milling the white oak to the proper dimensions before face gluing the boards together. This creates solid blanks that are large enough to machine and shape into the sculptural bases that will support the nesting coffee tables in the end result. Now that the base blanks are complete, Rick can begin cutting out the general profile of each leg before moving on to the hand sculpting process. This is always one of the most satisfying parts of a build to watch. Rick has an incredible talent for hand shaping components like these, and it's where the bases really begin to take on their final sculptural form. With the sculpting complete, Rick moves on to sanding all 4 base components, along with both coffee table tops. This step removes any remaining tool marks and begins bringing every surface to its final finished quality. Once everything is sanded, he'll dry fit the pieces to make sure everything lines up perfectly before cutting the domino joinery that will permanently connect each of the base components to the coffee table tops. With all of the layout work complete, Rick can start cutting the dominoes. He machines matching slots into the underside of the coffee table tops and into the bases themselves. These precision cut joints ensure everything aligns perfectly during the glue up to create an incredibly strong, long-lasting connection between the bases and the tops. With the tables fully assembled, Rick gives them one final wipe down with mineral spirits before they head on down to our finishing room. This helps reveal the grain and gives us one last opportunity to inspect every surface before finish is applied. And this is where the project really starts to come to life. Just look at that white oak. The grain, the color, and the sculptural forms all come together beautifully. It's an incredibly clean design, and this species is absolutely perfect for a piece like this. And there you have it, a beautifully handcrafted set of solid white oak nesting coffee tables, built right here in our shop. We hope you enjoyed following along with this build, and if you did, be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us build next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.